Hi guys, if you're watching this video, ibig sabihin you already succeed and pass with your training with team leader. So, I hope na may mga video na rin kayo na kuhanan na kayo ng video kasi that's one of our requirements. So, for now, I'm gonna showcase with you kung paano ginagamit yung ating Vital Dialer and how to navigate it. Ito yung link guys, yung cashadvancevital.com. So, ang pipiliin nyo dito, agent. Okay? Of course, bibigyan ka ng login credentials. So, yung login credentials, ito, nagtatry lang tayo. So, may nagmamay-ari niyan. And then the password, of course, kung ano yung password na binigay, you should log in. And, make it sure guys, habang kayo ay naglalagin, naka-plug in na yung inyong headset, ha? Okay, now, after natin malagin, get campaign. After get campaign, you can select actually sa mga campaign na nakikita nyo dito. So, whether you can choose kung anong campaign na available. So, kung wala naman na ibigay, pwede kayo pumili ng kahit ano kung meron. So, yun yung piliin natin. So, for now, ang gagamitin natin or ang pipiliin natin is yung auto repair. Then, sign in. Okay? Now, make it sure na naka-plugin yung headset guys kasi may marinig kayong voice from kapag nagre-route na tayo doon. Sasabihin niya, you are now connected. Okay? So, guys, this is the main dashboard. So, tandaan nyo to guys itong part na to, itong tools na to, mDial, script, form, chats, hindi po siya ginagamit. Hindi ginagamit. Okay? Do not touch it. Ang ginagamit lang natin dito normally, yung pause and active. So, guys, i-close ko lang to itong script kasi may script naman na kayo. Okay, so now, itong tab na to, pwede nyo siyang galawin. So, ang gagalawin nyo lang talaga dito ay yung pause and active. Okay? So now, tandaan itong mDial script, form, chats, hindi po siya ginagamit guys. Do not touch this. Kahit ito, yung on and off, hindi. Yung pause and active lang. So right now, naka-pause tayo. So I'm gonna try na mag-active para makareceive tayo ng call guys. Ayan. So active ko siya naka-color green. So antayin nyo lang, may mag-show up or may magpa-pop up na info dyan sa informations, customer info na yan. Okay, antayin natin ng konti. May magpa-pop up siya. So guys, kapag wala kayong naririnig na boses, maybe have something wrong with your headset. So, kailangan yung kontakin ako or si TLX para at least masupport ko kayo. So, ayun na, may nag-show up na info guys. So, nakikita ninyo yung info, no? So, naandyan yung first name, ayan si Phil, last name Rundo, andyan na rin yung number. So, yan na yung info guys. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan dyan. Then, kapag tapos na yung pitch, syempre, pag tapos na, thank you and have a great day, then hang up the call. Pag hang up natin yung call, so it's gonna go through dun sa ating disposition. Pipili na kayo kung ano naging disposition ng call, okay? Tandaan guys, call transferred, hindi ginagamit, okay? Tandaan, call transferred, never use. Callback, hindi rin po ginagamit. Call transferred, and callback hindi ginagamit. Ang ginagamit lang dito guys, of course, ayan, yung, 1 second lang guys So, ang ginagamit lang natin dito of course is yung not interested, answering machine, no answer, busy, do not call, and sell made. Okay? So, super dali lang niyang gamitin kasi mamimili lang kayo kung ano naging disposition dyan. Okay, so go through. So, tandaan, call transferred, hindi ginagamit. Okay? No, callback hindi ginagamit. Okay, not interested. Ginagamit lang ito kapag super not interested lang. Kapag galit na galit na. Okay, tandaan. Ginagamit lang yan kapag super galit na galit na. Okay? So, kapag hindi naman, pabebe lang na not interested, put in busy. Now, answering machine. From the words of answering machine, of course, answering machine. No answer, of course. Pag no answer, no answer. Etong busy, itong gamit na to guys. Example, may nakausap kayo, callback, whatsoever, basta anything may nakausap, kahit email or emailer lang siya, sa busy natin ilalagay. Okay? Busy. Lahat ng makakausap na hindi po natin lead sa busy natin ilalagay, ipipilian. Okay? Now, do not call, of course, from the words of do not call, ito yung do not call. Do not call me or put yung cellmate guys, ito naman yung kapag naka-convert na kayo ng lead, yung nasabi natin yung lastly 1 hour loan specialist, blah 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 and all. Ayan guys, ulitin ko ulit, not interested kapag super galit na, answering machine kapag of course answering machine yung call, No answer, busy. Ito yung laging ginagamit. Basta may nakausap, busy. Email, busy pa rin ilalagay. Tandaan nyo guys ha, kasi maraming nalilito dito. Busy yung pipiliin natin. Do not call, of course, kapag sinabing doon. Cellmate, kapag ito yung, lastly, one of our loan specialists will give a call to confirm. So, pinili ko no answer kasi nag-test lang tayo yan. Ipopost ko muna kasi nagta-trial lang tayo dito guys. So, that's the whole idea of our workflow. Then, kapag tapos na kayo at sabing tapos na yung duty, go to log out and that's it. That's the whole process of ating Vital Dialer. So, thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know.